Question number 31, 2020. Genotype can be identified by seeing the phenotype of 1. Widow's peak. 2. Attached earlobes. 3. Dimples on cheeks. 4. Ability of tongue rolling. 5. Straight thumb. Features given in the question are transmitted by either dominant or recessive autosomal alleles. Let's observe the inheritatory patterns of some features of human beings to solve the problem. Having dimples on cheeks when smiling is a dominant character. Not having dimples on cheeks when smiling is the recessive character. Having widow's peak, that is V-shaped hairline, is a dominant character. Not having widow's peak is the recessive character. Having free earlobes is a dominant character. Having attached earlobes is the recessive character. Having straight thumb is a dominant character. Having a thumb that can be curved backward, known as hitchhiker's thumb, is the recessive character. Ability to rolling tongue into a tube is a dominant character. Inability to rolling tongue into a tube is the recessive character. Dominant characters. Recessive characters. Homozygous dominant or heterozygous genotypes determine the phenotype. Homozygous recessive genotype determine the phenotype. Dominant characters are determined by either homozygous dominant or heterozygous genotypes, but only homozygous recessive genotype determine the recessive characters, as exhibited above. Accordingly, genotypes cannot be identified by observing the phenotype externally, in autosomal dominant inheritance, but, in autosomal recessive inheritance, genotype can be identified by the phenotype, since the feature appears only due to the homozygous recessive genotype. Out of the given examples, only attached earlobe is transmitted by autosomal recessive alleles. The correct answer is answer 2. Therefore, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.